What's popping, everyone? My name is Rubified, and today we're going to be unboxing a GTRacing chair. Yeah, I know it's been a while again, but that's okay because we're starting off the new year strong. And basically, what I'm going to be doing is I'm gonna make sure I upload. We'll try to upload when I say Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. I'm gonna really try my hardest. And yeah, we're gonna quickly go over the assembly review and features of the chair pretty much that I've had for a few days now, so I can actually give you guys a proper review. In the video, I was able to build the whole chair in just about under 45 minutes. This was a little longer because I did put some parts backwards. I know it was by mistake. I put the handles backwards, and you know, it was a little bit of a pain in the ass to go back and do everything again, but that's okay. I really did feel way better when I finished. Can we just talk about how great it looks? So far, this is one of my most comfortable chairs that I have ever used. It has great cushion and support. My back feels great, and it doesn't hurt after long hours of gaming. The armrests are very comfortable, and so are the pillows. The chair has removable pillows and many more customizable features, such as it being able to rotate, go up and down by quite a large amount, as you can see in the video. And the armrests also go up, and they rotate too, which is also really nice because you can do it whichever is most comfortable for you. The part where you put your back on actually has a really cool feature. You can go back 180-degree angles, and it basically lays flat without you falling back. I think this is great since I can relax and play FIFA, another casual game. It did have a bit of a 99-cent store smell, if you have ever been to a 99-cent store, but it's not really that strong, and it's kind of fading away at this point. But other than that, this is a really good chair worth investing your money on, because it's good for your health in the future. And basically, it's been Rubified, and I'll see you guys in another video.